Look at what the Prophet ﷺ said. The most beloved actions to Allah is pleasure and happiness that you cause to enter the heart of a Muslim, or to solve one of his or her problems, or to pay off his or her debt, or to prevent him or her from being hungry. Now watch this. And working to help my Muslim brother or sister is more beloved to me. Now this is the Prophet ﷺ speaking. He says that working to help my Muslim brother or sister is more beloved to me than making i'tikaf, seclusion, in this masjid for a month. Do you see how powerful that is? And we need to mention that which masjid is the Prophet ﷺ standing in? Not this masjid. Masjid al-Nabawi.